Welcome to Arkansas, a state brimming with natural wonders. From ancient mountain ranges to pristine waterways, Arkansas offers a remarkable tapestry of landscapes. Today we embark on a journey through this diverse state, exploring hidden gems and breathtaking vistas. Our expedition will take us from the heights of the Ozark Mountains to the depths of Blanchard Springs caverns. Along the way we'll encounter fascinating creatures, from elusive black bears to vibrant migratory birds. Join me as we venture into the heart of the natural state and uncover its secrets. Our journey begins amidst the rugged peaks where the air is crisp and the sky stretches endlessly above, and verdant valleys of the Ouachita and Ozark Mountains. These valleys, lush and green, are a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. These weathered ranges, cloaked in dense forests, offer a glimpse into a time long past. The forests are a living museum, preserving the natural history of the region. Towering pines and sturdy oaks form a verdant canopy overhead, their leaves whispering secrets of the ages. The air is alive with birdsong, a symphony that echoes through the woods. Each note tells a story, a testament to the vibrant life that thrives here. Trails wind through the undergrowth, inviting explorers to lose themselves in nature. These paths, some well-trodden and others less so, lead to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. For those seeking solace, the Ouachita and Ozark Mountains provide the perfect escape. The serene landscapes offer a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Camping under a canopy of stars nourishes the soul and reawakens our connection to nature. The night sky, unpolluted by city lights, reveals a tapestry of stars that inspire wonder and reflection. But these mountains are also a haven for adventure. From rock climbing to kayaking, there's no shortage of activities for the thrill seekers. Hikers can test their mettle on challenging trails, each step a testament to their endurance and spirit. While mountain bikers navigate thrilling single tracks, the twists and turns of these paths offer an adrenaline rush like no other. As the sun sets, the mountains take on an ethereal beauty, a testament to the raw power and captivating beauty of the natural world. The fading light casts a golden hue, transforming the landscape into a scene of unparalleled tranquility and majesty. From the rugged heights of the mountains, where the peaks touch the sky and the air is crisp and clear, we descend into verdant valleys blanketed in lush greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see, where crystal-clear rivers snake through the landscape, carving their paths through the earth over millennia. Arkansas is defined by its waterways, each one a lifeline that nourishes the land and its inhabitants. And none are more iconic than the Buffalo National River, a symbol of natural beauty and unspoiled wilderness. Flowing freely for over 135 miles, the Buffalo River meanders through the heart of the Ozarks. The buffalo is a haven for wildlife and a testament to conservation, home to countless species of flora and fauna. Paddlers glide through tranquil waters dwarfed by towering bluffs that rise majestically on either side. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the splash of a leaping fish breaking the surface of the water, the call of a kingfisher echoing through the trees. The mighty Arkansas River carves its way through the heart of the state, a powerful force that shapes the land, offering fishing, boating, and scenic views that draw visitors from near and far. On the shores of the Lake Ouachita, where the water meets the land in a serene embrace, time seems to slow down. Anglers cast their lines, hoping for a bite, while families relax on sandy beaches, enjoying the simple pleasures of life. Greer's Ferry Lake, nestled amidst the Ozark Mountains, is a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, where the thrill of adventure meets the tranquility of nature. Sailboats skim across the surface, their sails catching the wind, while jet skiers carve through the water, leaving trails of white foam in their wake. Nestled in the Ouachita Mountains lies Hot Springs National Park, a place of legend and lore. For centuries, people have flocked to its healing waters and steaming springs. The thermal springs, revered for their therapeutic properties, bubble up at 143 degrees Fahrenheit. Visitors can experience these waters at the historic bathhouses on Bathhouse Row, but Hot Springs National Park is more than just its springs. Miles of hiking trails offer breathtaking views of the park and surrounding countryside. As the sun sets, the park takes on a magical quality, a place to reconnect with nature. Beneath the Ozark Mountains lies a hidden world of wonder, a realm of stalactites, stalagmites, and subterranean streams. Arkansas is home to a network of caves, with Blanchard Springs Caverns being the most captivating. Discovered in 1955, Blanchard Springs Caverns is a testament to the power of water. Guided tours lead through a labyrinth of chambers, showcasing dazzling formations. The Dripstone Trail features delicate soda straws and massive flowstones. The Discovery Trail winds through narrow passages and towering columns. Marvel Cave beneath Silver Dollar City is another must-see destination. Its massive cathedral room is a testament to the scale of these underground wonders. Amidst Arkansas's diverse landscapes lie pockets of pristine wilderness, sanctuaries where nature reigns supreme. These wildlife refuges are havens for a remarkable array of plants and animals. Along the Cache River, one might glimpse a bobcat or an American alligator. The Lower White River National Wildlife Refuge is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 200 species. Holler Bend National Wildlife Refuge is a vital stopover for migrating waterfowl. During winter, thousands of ducks, geese, and swans descend upon the refuge. These refuges serve as vital reminders of the importance of protecting our natural heritage. They offer a glimpse into a world untouched by human hands. Arkansas's natural beauty is showcased in its state parks, each a unique gem. These parks are not just places to visit, they are sanctuaries of tranquility and adventure, offering a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. From the bluffs of Petit-Jean State Park to the peaks of Mount Magazine State Park, these areas offer a glimpse into the natural state. Each park has its own story, its own unique landscape, and its own way of captivating visitors. Petit-Jean State Park is steeped in folklore and natural beauty. The legend of Petit-Jean, a young French girl who disguised herself as a boy to follow her lover to America, adds a layer of mystique to the park's already enchanting scenery. Standing atop Petit-Jean Mountain, one is struck by the vastness of the landscape. The panoramic views stretch as far as the eye can see, offering a sense of peace and perspective that is hard to find elsewhere. Mount Magazine State Park offers breathtaking panoramic views from the highest point in Arkansas. The park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for rock climbing, hang gliding, and even stargazing on clear nights. Hiking trails wind through diverse terrain, offering something for every adventurer. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, the trails provide a way to connect with nature and experience the state's natural beauty up close. Devil's Den State Park, tucked away in the Ozark Mountains, is known for its unique rock formations and tranquil lake. The park's caves and crevices invite exploration, while the serene lake offers a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. These parks are a paradise for hikers, photographers, and nature lovers. They provide endless opportunities to capture the beauty of the natural world, to find inspiration, and to create lasting memories. Arkansas's diverse landscapes support a remarkable array of flora and fauna, creating a unique ecosystem. Towering forests of oak, hickory, and pine dominate the landscape, standing tall and proud. These forests provide shelter for creatures like white-tailed deer and black bears, among many others. In spring, wildflowers and dogwood trees paint the landscape with vibrant color and beauty. Rivers and lakes teem with life, from catfish and bass to turtles and frogs, creating a lively scene. Migratory birds transform the skies into a kaleidoscope of color and sound, a true spectacle. Warblers and waterfowl add to the vibrant tapestry of life in Arkansas, enriching its natural beauty. Arkansas experiences a humid subtropical climate, with hot summers and mild winters. The state's diverse topography creates a variety of microclimates. Spring is a time of renewal, with wildflowers carpeting the forest floor. Summer is for lazy days, fishing or swimming, with afternoon thunderstorms providing respite. Autumn brings breathtaking beauty, with leaves turning brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow. Winter is generally mild, but occasional snowfalls transform the landscape. The mountains offer opportunities for winter sports. Each season brings its own unique charm to the natural state. As our journey through Arkansas comes to an end, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this state. From ancient mountains to pristine waterways, Arkansas offers a wealth of outdoor adventure. Whether you're seeking a challenging hike or a relaxing float down a scenic river, Arkansas has something for everyone. Discover the natural state for yourself and experience the beauty and wonder that await. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow nature enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Arkansas.